Welcome to Unit 8, Section 1, Lesson 1, Video 2, Constructing Parallel Lines. In the last video, we learned what parallel lines were, and we saw examples of parallel lines in our everyday world. In this video, we're going to learn how to construct parallel lines using three different methods. All three methods will involve using components of a math set. For the methods we're going to use in this lesson, we're going to need a compass, which we can draw arcs with, a protractor, which is used to measure angles, a ruler for drawing straight edges, and perhaps the most important piece of equipment, a nice sharp pencil. You'll notice there's a green pen in the picture as well, but when we do constructions, we make sure that we always use a pencil, never a pen, just in case we make a mistake. There are several methods we can use to construct parallel lines. Perhaps the easiest one is to simply use a ruler. Trace a line on top of the ruler like this, and another line underneath. When you remove the ruler, the lines that you've drawn are parallel lines. The second method we're going to use to construct parallel lines involves using a ruler and a protractor. Take your ruler, draw a straight line on top of the ruler like this, and it can be 5 or 6 centimeters long. Next, we use the protractor, and if you remember, we used protractors back in Unit 4 when we were measuring angles. We place the protractor at one of the ends of the line, like this, and we make sure that the crosshairs line up exactly with the end point of the line segment. When I say crosshairs, I'm referring to the upside down T right here at the bottom of the protractor. Next, mark a dot at the top of the protractor to indicate where the 90-degree angle is, like this. Try to get it a little more precise. There we go. And then we're going to take our protractor and move it to the other side of the line, right at the edge once again. Line it up. And we're going to mark a dot at the top of the 90 again. We'll move the protractor out of the way, and then we simply connect the two dots. The two lines that we've drawn are parallel. Method 3. The next method we're going to use to construct parallel lines involves using a ruler and a compass. Take your ruler and draw a straight line on top of it like we did in the last method, and then just move your ruler out of the way. Take your compass and spread it a little bit apart, maybe a couple of centimeters. Once you do, you need to make sure that you keep the compass the same distance apart for the remainder of the construction. Place the pointy part of the compass anywhere on your line and make a nice smooth arc like this. Next, take your compass and slide it over so that the pointy part is right at the intersection of the black and the red lines. Make another arc that goes all the way down to the red line and intersects the first arc, like so. Take your compass, slide it over to the next intersection point here, and make one last arc, and this one can be a little short one as long as it intersects there. Finally, using your ruler, connect the two places where the arcs intersect, right here and right here. The two red lines we've constructed are parallel. Please proceed to the activities for Lesson 1.